Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up emergency contacts on the Bank of America mobile app to ensure someone can access your account information in case of an emergency, follow these quick steps. Step 1. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone and log into your account. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Step 3. Select Settings or Profile to access your account settings. Step 4. Look for an option labeled Emergency Contacts or Authorized Users. Step 5. Tap on Add Emergency Contact and enter the contact's name, relationship, phone number, and email address. Step 6. Review the permissions you want to grant to the emergency contact, such as view-only access or full account access. Step 7. Save the contact by tapping Save or Submit. Step 8. Verify that the emergency contact has been added by checking your profile or settings. Step 9. Inform your emergency contact that they have been added and explain how they can access your account information if needed. Step 10. Regularly review and update your emergency contacts to ensure the information is current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.